How to transfer Pi from Binance to MetaMask. So officially, the Pi token is not listed yet on Binance, but in the future, if it's listed, I will show you how to transfer it from Binance to MetaMask. Now, first of all, tap on Assets, and now select the spot from the top, as you can see here. And after that, tap on Withdraw. And as you can see here, I will use the example of USDT. Now you can search it in the search bar, as you can see here. So tap on the search bar and search it, or you can select it from the home page. Now after you select the USDT, now tap on Send via Crypto Network. And as you can see here, to get the address, you can go to MetaMask. But before that, we need to set the network as the BIP20. Now go and open your MetaMask. Now, to get the withdrawal address of your token from the MetaMask, first of all, you need to set the network as the BNB chain or smart chain network. So after you select it, now you can select your USDT from here. Now by typing it. And as you can see here, to get the withdrawal address of your USDT, you need to tap on Receive. And as you can see here, you can copy your address from here. And after you copy the address of your token, go back to Binance. As you can see in the address, you can paste it here, as you can see. And now enter the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, tap on withdraw and you will be able to receive your token on your MetaMask wallet. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.